Hi students, I am Kalabrai. Now I am going to teach 10th Maths Chapter 4 Geometry Similar Triangle. Okay? Congruency and similarity of triangles. What is congruent triangle? Listen these two diagrams. A, B, C and triangle PQR. These two diagrams, this shape is same or not? Yes, shape is same and size is also same. Correct? Here, angle A is equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. That is corresponding angles equal to same. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides also equal. What are the corresponding sides? AB and PQ. AB is equal to PQ. And corresponding side BC and QR. QR equal to, first you take BC equal to QR. Next, AC equal to PR. AC equal to PR. Listen students, here angles are equal and sides also, corresponding sides also equal. So, when you take the corresponding sides ratio, you will get 1. That is AB by PQ equal to 1. BC by QR equal to 1 and AC by PR equal to 1. So, like this, all these conditions are satisfied, then we can say these two triangles are congruent triangle. Okay. Now, what is how you write two triangles are congruent? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. So, these three conditions are satisfied. Then we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Next, similar triangle. What is similar triangle? Similar. See this diagram. This shape is same or not? Shape is same. Next, these sides are equal. Is these sides are equal? No, sides are not equal. But sides are proportional. Listen. What is proportional? இங்கே AB லிருந்து அல்லது PQ லிருந்து எவ்வளவு எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் ABக்கு அதே அளவு எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் QR லிருந்து BCக்கு. ஓகே, அதே அளவு PR லிருந்து AC எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, that is proportional. Okay, so in this diagram angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle R equal to angle C. So you can write angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Okay, but corresponding sides are not equal, but it is proportional. That is corresponding sides AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Listen students, in this triangle angles are equal but sides are not equal. AB is not equal to PQ. BC is not equal to QR. AC is not equal to PR. But proportional ratio is equal to or greater than or equal to 1 greater than 1 or less than 1. Here proportional ratios are equal to 1. But here ratios are greater than 1 or less than 1. Okay. So do you understand what is congruent triangle? What is similar triangle? In congruent triangle, angles are equal, sides also equal. Proportional ratios is equal to 1. In similar triangle, angles are equal, sides are not equal. These ratios are, corresponding sides ratios are less than 1 or greater than 1. Do you understand, students? Okay. Now, how you prove the similarity? How you prove the similarity? AA similarity. AA means angle, angle. Suppose if you draw two triangles, ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. This angle, corresponding angles, angle A equal to angle P and B equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q means we can say these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. Suppose here 30 degree and this also 30 degree. Angle B equal to, you can, if you say 70 degree, this also, angle Q also 70 degree. Okay, so if you take like this, if the two triangles are like this, we can say AA similarity, angle similarity. Okay, these two sides angles are equal means automatically third sides are equal. Okay, this is 100, here 80 and this also 80. Okay, so like this three angles are in same means we can say equiangular. Okay, in equiangular triangle we can say that two triangles are similar. Okay, next SAS. SAS means side, angle, side. Listen, one more triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Side, angle, side. This corresponding side AB is equal to PQ. Okay, corresponding side is proportional. AB proportional to PQ and AC proportional to PR. Okay, and then the middle angle also equal. Middle angle equal. So if it is like that, we can say SAS similarity, side angle similar, side angle side similarity. Okay. Next side. What is side? Triangle ABC, triangle PQR. Okay. All sides are proportional. That is AB proportional to PQ. BC proportional to QR. Next AC proportional to PR. Okay. If all the sides are proportional, we can say these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Similar triangle. How you will write the similar triangle? These two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Corresponding side AP. Okay. Then B, here Q. Q. Then CR. Like that. Corresponding sides you have to take and write. Triangle ABC is similar symbol is like this, similar to triangle PQR. Do you understand, students? Okay. Congruent triangle and similar triangle, you know, like this. Yes. Next, results on similar triangles. Suppose one triangle, right angled triangle. This is on right angle triangle. Right angle is at A. Okay. ABC. Okay. Now you draw a perpendicular line from A. You will get two triangle ABD and ADC. Triangle ABD and triangle ADC, and one more triangle already is there, that is ABC. Yes. Now listen students. From vertex A, that is 90 degree. From vertex A, if you draw one perpendicular line, you will get two triangles and one more triangle ABC is also there. இந்த மூணு ட்ரையாங்கிளுமே ஒன்றுக்கு ஒன்று சிமிலராக இருக்கும். ஓகே. பட் இதை இப்படியே வச்சுட்டு நம்ம இது சிமிலர்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. அதுக்குன்னுட்டு ஆர்டராக தான் எழுதணும். ஓகே. ஆர்டராக தான் எழுதணும். சும்மா ஏபிசி ஏபிடி ஏபிடிசி அதெல்லாம் ஒரு ட்ரையாங்கிள் அது அது சிமிலர்னிட்டு எழுதக்கூடாது. கரஸ்பாண்டிங் சைட்ஸ் கரஸ்பாண்டிங் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் அது கரெக்டாக எழுதணும். ஓகே. ஹவ் யூ வில் ரைட்? நவ் லிசன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஐ டிடன்ட் ரைட் ஆர்டர்லி. நவ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ரைட் ஆர்டர் வைஸ். ஓகே. லிசன், திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் ரைட் ஆங்கிள்டு ட்ரையாங்கிள் 90 degree ABC. This is 90 degree they said. கரெக்டா? நான் இதை வந்து தீட்டான்னு எடுக்கிறேன். இது வந்து தீட்டானா இது இந்த ஆங்கிள் வந்து 90 டிகிரி மைனஸ் தீட்டா. கரெக்டா? இதை வச்சு இந்த ஆங்கிளை இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளுக்கு ஆங்கிள் கூட பார்க்கலாம். இது வந்து 90 டிகிரி. கரெக்டா? ஆங்கிள் பி என்ன இருக்கு? தீட்டா. அப்போ இது தீட்டா எடு. ஓகே. இங்கே 90 டிகிரி 90 டிகிரி. இங்கே ஏற்கனவே ஒரு 90 டிகிரி தீட்டா. அப்போ இந்த ஆங்கிள் என்ன வருது உனக்கு? 90 டிகிரி மைனஸ் தீட்டாவாக வருது. ஓகே. அப்புறமா இது 90 டிகிரி. இது 90 டிகிரி மைனஸ் தீட்டானா கட்டாயம் இது வந்து என்னது? தீட்டாவாக தான் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா 90 degree minus theta plus theta. Theta, theta cancel, only 90 degree. Angle A we got. Isn't it? So, if it is 90 degree minus theta, this one theta. This one 90 degree. Then, this angle 90 degree minus theta. Okay. Here also 90 degree, 90 minus theta plus theta. So, totally 180 degree. So, sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Now you have to draw, have to write order. Listen. Triangle ABC, triangle, இந்த triangle எடு. இந்த triangle first A எழுதியிருக்கோம். தானே first A எழுதியிருக்கோம். A வந்து 90 டிகிரியில் இருக்கு. இங்கே இந்த triangle 90 டிகிரி எங்கே இருக்கு? Dல இருக்கு. அப்போ இங்கே D தான் எழுதணும். ஓகே. அடுத்தால இந்த triangle B. Bல என்ன இருக்கு? தீட்டா. ஆங்கிள் தீட்டா. இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள்ல B என்ன இருக்கு? தீட்டா. அப்போ இங்கே B தான் எழுதணும். ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ கேன் ரைட் A. அதர்வைஸ் யூ see இங்கே C இருக்கு. இங்கே Cல 90 மைனஸ் தீட்டா. அப்போ இங்கே 90 மைனஸ் தீட்டாவில் இருக்கிற ஆங்கிள் வந்து வெர்டெக்ஸ் வந்து A. அதை எழுதுறோம். புரியுதா? தென் ட்ரையாங்கிள். நெக்ஸ்ட் ட்ரையாங்கிள். இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள் எடு. A வந்து Dல இருக்கு. சரியா? 90 டிகிரி. A 90 டிகிரி. அப்போ D 90 டிகிரி D எழுது. அப்புறமா B. இங்கே Bல என்ன இருக்கு? தீட்டா இருக்கு. இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளில் தீட்டா எங்கே இருக்கு? Aல இருக்கு. அப்போ A எழுது. ஓகே. இங்கே C இருக்கு. இந்த Cல இந்த டயக்ராமில் 90 டிகிரி மைனஸ் தீட்டா தானா? இந்த டயக்ராமில் 90 மைனஸ் தீட்டா எங்கே இருக்கு? Cல இருக்கு. அப்போ இங்கே C. இதுதான் என்ன ஆகுது? சிமிலர் ஆகுது. Now only it is correct. புரியுதா? ஆர்டர் சேமா கரெக்டாக இருந்தால் தான் அது வந்து சிமிலர் ட்ரையாங்கிள்னு நம்ம சொல்ல முடியும். அதர்வைஸ் we can't say it is wrong. Okay? Okay. Now, if you draw a perpendicular line from right angle to triangle, you will get 3 triangles. The 3 triangles also proportional. Sorry, similar. Okay. Next, altitude. Now listen students, if 2 triangles are similar, If two triangles are similar, that is ABC, PQR, two triangles are similar, ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, ratio of corresponding sides are equal to ratio of altitude, corresponding altitude. Do you understand? If these two triangles are equal, ratio of corresponding sides, how we will write? By diagram, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR, like that we can write. Otherwise, in here itself you can write. How you see? AB by PQ, first two letters PQ, next two letters equal to BC by QR, next two letters equal to, next AC by PR. Do you understand, students? So, if two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are equal to, ratios of corresponding sides are equal to ratio of their altitude. Now, I draw one altitude from A, name is D, and from P, name is S. How you can write? AD by PS equal to. Now I draw one altitude from A, that is E, and from Q I draw one altitude, that is T. How I can write? BE divided by QT. Okay. So what is the result? If two triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of their corresponding altitude. Do you understand? Okay. Next. Next, perimeter. Perimeters. How? The same way. If two triangles are similar, PQR, if two triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of their perimeters. Okay, ratio of corresponding sides. Right, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Ratio of corresponding sides, how you will write? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Okay, that is equal to, now listen students, if two triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding side is equal to the ratio of their perimeters. Perimeter of triangle ABC is which one? AB plus BC plus CA, isn't it? So here you can write AB plus BC plus CA divided by area of triangle, perimeter of triangle PQR, that is PQ plus QR plus PR. That is, this one also you can write PQ plus QR plus PR. Do you understand, students? If two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of their perimeters. Perimeter of the triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA. Perimeter of triangle PQ is PQ plus QR plus PR. Okay, understood now? Next, area. The ratio of two area of similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. What is the result? Ratio of area of two similar triangle, area of two similar triangle, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of their squares of corresponding sides. Ratio of their squares of corresponding side. Squares of corresponding side, that is AB square by PQ square equal to BC square by QR square. QR square, that is equal to AC square by PR square. Do you understand? The ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Okay? Do you understand? No? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQ are equal to corresponding side square. AB square plus BQ square equal to BC square by QR square equal to AC square by PR square. Do you understand, students? Next. Two triangles have common vertex. Okay? Two triangles have common vertex and base on same straight line. Suppose this one ABC, this one D means two triangles you have, right? ABD and triangle ADC are two triangles. These two triangles have common vertex from vertex A, right? Based on the same straight line. These two triangles base is on same straight line. If it is like this, ratio between the two area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the base length. Okay, that is area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle ADC equal to ratio of their base length. Okay, that is BD by DC. Okay, students, area of triangle, if two triangles have common vertex and base length on same straight line, then ratio between the two triangles is equal to ratio between the length of bases, base length. Okay, so area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle ADC equal to BD by DC. Do you understand, students, everything? I hope you can understand. Thank you.